Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Alcatel LinkHub Cat 4 LTE device, and now I'm going to show you how to how to activate the guest network on this device. To do it, firstly, you need to open the Network Advanced in the embedded web server of your router. Then find guest network, click enable, enter the guest network name, so create a guest network name, choose the type of protection. For example, you can remove the password, set the timer for guest network, for example for 2 hours only, and click apply. Click confirm and wait a while, and now open the other networks, and here you will see the new network type, so maybe not the network type but new network. Okay, it's my network, but okay, and as you can see now we have HH42CV 3D4E guest network, and it's without the password, and we can connect to this network without the password. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.